I know rice can be tricky, which is why I've upgraded these tutorials with clear AI audio to make sure you never miss a step. Soak the rice for at least 1 to 2 hours. Wash the rice until the water runs clear. This will remove the excess starch from the rice granules. Excess starch in the rice gives a gummy texture to your cooked rice. Place the steaming plate provided with the rice cooker at the bottom. This ensures your rice does not stick to the base or burns when the electric cooker is operating at the cook mode. For 3 cups of rice you must fill the 50% of the inner cooking pot with water. Cover with the lid and bring the water to boil, and then add the rice in the boiling water. Cover the lid again to allow the rice grains soften in the boiling water. Keep a watch as the rice grains will soon splurge up and the water tends to come out of the vessel. When the water starts coming out of the vessel due to excessive heat, turn the rice cooker to the warm mode. Wait for the boiling water to settle down for 5 minutes. Do not unplug the cooker. The rice is now cooking at the warm mode. After the water stops splurging high, turn the cooker again the cook mode for another 2 to 3 minutes. This time may vary depending on the type of rice. Parboiled white rice usually takes lesser time compared to unpolished brown rice. Check the grains if they are fully cooked and feel soft when pressed. Do not overcook or the grains may break down and retain a watery texture. Drain out the excess water. Your perfect fluffy rice is ready for serving. Serve when hot and enjoy your meal. My goal is to bring you easy, fail-proof cooking tips every week. If this helped you get that perfect fluffy rice today, please hit the like button and share this video with a friend who struggles in the kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. I have plenty more kitchen hacks coming your way that you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!